Alright, so thought it was recording this whole time, and it hasn't been. But we painted the whole cart like it's someone calls it a pea green. But it's kind of cool. Camera probably doesn't do justice. So we're taking out the skid plate, and then we're going to repaint this probably chrome or something. Go sit on the porch. Or paint it black or whatever.
I want to paint it black.
Okay. So that's
I'll
that.
paint it.
I'm not going to worry about painting these brackets that are red. So yeah, but the light's probably messing it up. Can't really tell the color. Alright, now we're just going to add on this little cheap air filter got from AutoZone. I'm just going to put this on the crankcase ventilation. Twist it. That's it. A little more. Okay, so we just figured out that our valve lashings are out of whack. I got 4 thousandths on the exhaust, and it is like insanely like there's no grip. Okay, so I use 4 thousandths on the intake, and it's not even, it's super tight. So I don't think this is, so I'm going to set this to 3 on both and then go from there. So let me get my tools and set those up. I said 3, right? So 2 and 5, 2 and 6. I mean, 3, I have to like pull it. So when we get my tools, I'll be back. Okay, so I got this down to 3 thousandths. This is at a 5. I'm taking it down to 3. And don't torque it down too much. Not supposed to use torque wrench or anything, but I hate stripping stuff out. Let's get off the fun with her about her cart being governed, so she's okay with it. That way we can just shoot. That way we can go ahead and just race and get over with. And then we can always take the governor out after this Wednesday's race. I don't want to strip this one out. Alright, plug goes in. Fingers crossed. See if we fixed it. Alright, just crank it up and see. No. Still doesn't run. Ah, man. Jesus criminy. Alright, so we replaced the wheel studs on this side. Left the two stock. This one here wasn't threaded all the way through, so yeah, I'm just going to leave it. It gives us a little more bite, maybe a couple threads. These over here are 3-inch, and that'll work. Now we're going to mount the motor. And that's it. Oh, fix brakes. And these brakes. I'll just have to loosen the seat up and get that. Alright, we just gotta cut these damn spacers. Alright guys, so we finally got the Coyote drift cart all done. I took it on a test run. I wasn't able to record it. I just wasn't thinking. I was so excited from getting the project done, so I'm sorry. I'll do another video on that, but dude, the cart is, I forgot how fun that cart was. But we had two main issues. We had a brake line leaking, which I fixed, and then we had our bolts on our floor panels. They were bottoming out on the road, and it's kind of scary, so I'm going to reverse those, but I'll go show you what I'm talking about on those, so hold on. Okay, so the brake line that was leaking was what I'm calling this one on the far right, brake line number 2. The brass fitting on the inside wasn't all the way on the brake line itself, so me and a little man here, we got the wrench out, we did it right there. We tightened her down. What else? We got throttle sticking issues. So the only good thing about these side mount motors is when the throttle sticks, you can reach right over. So I'm wondering if I can just get a new linkage set up and get rid of this old crappy stock system here. So we gotta do that. We gotta adjust the gas pedals, because somebody's unable to touch the gas pedals. That's just because that center bar, so I'm going to shorten her throttle pedal, hopefully by adjusting these two pieces here. It looks like some all thread all the way through there. Looks like some all thread, maybe not. Man, okay, it's probably not going to work. Well, I'm going to have to figure out how to shorten this pedal somehow, because she can't reach it, so I might try up here. I really don't know. Really doesn't give us any options. I mean, we got that, and it goes to there. Usually they have like a secondary hole to mount up on. Can you see that? Right there. Yeah. This floor panel is covered with dirt. Once again, if you didn't know, a couple years ago when we ran this go-kart, it was... But yeah, so this video is done for now. Brakes did great, besides that leak. But all the dirt, I mean, this thing, it just drags on the ground. But here's the bolts. Let's see if I can get down here without falling. The hardware underneath is dragging. We got to reverse it. I think that's what we did before, because when I was on the road, it was grabbing, like we were bottoming out, and it's a little scary. Now these go-karts, you can adjust the ride height by simply just moving these washers all the way to the top, and what that does is pushes that spindle down, thus raising the frame. So that's all we can get ride height wise. Besides that, we can probably put some taller tires on. But that is it for this video, so you guys let me know what you think, what you want to see done. I mean, this cart's done. She can drive it now. We painted it, redone it. And she is running the stock 212, except for stage 1 parts, the header, the exhaust, the cold air. I think she's got 18-pound springs and jetted. That's all she's got. That's right. So just make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And next video is going to be on the 88-mile-an-hour go-kart. Right? What you say, man? Yeah? What'd you say? Do you like that go-kart, man? Alright, later guys.